All right, a storm in California will have huge impacts across the United States next week, including severe weather as early as Sunday afternoon. All right, here it is, the upper level low. You can see it off the California coast. Now, this is going to be diving southeast. Now, out ahead of this storm, you're already going to start seeing what a southerly flow across the plains as we get into the weekend. You'll notice, look how cool it is Saturday in Oklahoma City, in Dallas, and in Little Rock. And look at the difference on Sunday. So Oklahoma City, we go from 48 to 68, Little Rock from 47 to 64, and Dallas 53 to 75. So we're warming things up as our wind flow comes in out of the south. A lot of energy with this on our energy map, highlighted by the red. You see red, that's a lot of energy in the form of what? Wind. This comes into California Saturday night across the southwest, and then watch as it pulls out into the southern plains states on Sunday. Here it is. And when you see all of this red, that means this system has a lot of energy with it. Also, it's negatively tilted. What does that mean? It's tilted from northeast or northwest to southeast, which means all your energy is on the eastern side where you're doing what? Bringing in the warmth. And also, because this energy comes out in the plains, you're going to form low pressure across southeast to Colorado. And remember, in the atmosphere, the air goes from what? High to low pressure. So you have higher pressure here, lower pressure across the southern plains. So that means you're driving the wind out of the south. So not only you're bringing the warm air in, you're bringing in the higher humidity, you're bringing in the cold air from the west. You have the energy. Everything is intersecting where? Across Kansas and Oklahoma. Let me show you future radar. Watch this area start to light up. Now, it's going to be a while. It won't be until late Sunday afternoon. I'd say about 5, 6 o'clock. There it goes. There's that line from Wichita to Oklahoma City, and then that plows northeastward in the Missouri by the time we get into Sunday night. You'll note that we have a high risk out. That's where we're going to be looking at an area where severe thunderstorms are going to be widespread. When you're in the orange, the moderate risk, that's where the severe thunderstorms are more numerous. You get into the yellow, that's where the severe thunderstorms are going to be isolated. All forms of severe weather are possible. I think that we are looking at mostly a damaging wind gust event. We have an AccuWeather local storm max of 90 miles per hour. There's also going to be isolated tornadoes. And by the way, we'll track this storm across the country next week. One area to watch: southern New England. Could this be the biggest snow event in Boston we've had this season? It won't take much. That's a possibility. Stay tuned. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other videos here and be sure to subscribe for new content and the latest weather news from AccuWeather.